What if your security camera could detect fire? Today I am going to show you a smart ESP32-CAM based flame detection system that can detect fire in real time. And the best part, it works using a simple AI based image processing, no expensive hardware. In this project, we are using ESP32-CAM as a live camera module and Python OpenCV on the computer to detect flames. Whenever fire or lighter flame is detected, the system will show a warning on screen and highlight flame area. Now let's understand how this system works. ESP32-CAM captures live images and sends them through a web URL. Python continuously receives images from the URL using OpenCV. The system converts the image into HSV format to detect fire colors like red, orange and yellow. If flame is detected, it draws a bounding box around the fire area. Open the Arduino IDE. Go to File, Example, ESP32, Camera, Camera Web Server. Choose AI Thinker Camera Model. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Now upload the code. After upload, open the serial monitor. You will get the IP address. As you can see, this IP address is used in the Python code. Now open the command prompt. Install all the required Python libraries in one single command. This includes OpenCV for image processing, NumPy for handling image data, and OpenCV-contrib for advanced computer vision functions. This is ESP32-CAM module, which is used as the main camera for the flame detection system. Now I am opening the Python code. Then go to the Run option and click on Run module to execute the Python code. After running the script, the live video stream starts from the ESP32-CAM. Since there is currently no flame in the scene, the system shows a normal and safe environment on the screen. Now I am igniting a lighter in front of the camera. You can clearly see that the flame is being detected by the system, and a warning message is also appearing on the screen, indicating fire detection. Next, I test the system using a matchstick, and it also successfully detects the flame in real time. This confirms that the ESP32-CAM based flame detection system is working accurately. So guys, this is how you can build a real-time flame detection system using ESP32-CAM and Python with OpenCV. The system successfully detects fire in different conditions and gave an instant warning, which can be very useful for safety and security applications. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting IoT and AI based projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next project.